Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Now we need to search for settings and just go to the app settings. On this window, just scroll down and click on prepare from the reset section and then click on reset. Once done, go to search bar, type here PowerShell and click on Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. On this window, to avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on Windows PowerShell. You can follow my screen and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close this PowerShell window, click on start icon and open task manager. Now select Windows Explorer and click on restart. Now close this window, go to search bar and then type here msconfig and click here to open it. It will open system configuration. Then go to services tab, check this option and select disable all. Then click on apply and then OK, and simply restart your machine. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.